I started with cleaning my balcony. The wooden panels are very dirty though. I had to invest a lot of time to clean it, especially the fungi and the dust, the molds, etc. One thing that I don't regret is picking up a large ivy. It gives an instant lush green vibe. To make it look elegant and classy during nights, I founded rice lights along with the ivy strands, and I don't have to worry about electricity because for balcony, I chose everything that work on solar. When I thought about a balcony garden during summer, the first thing came into my mind was chrysanthemums. I usually cherish the beauty of chrysanthemums. They are indeed the most universal, the most diverse of all flowers. These kind of pots are specifically designed for balcony gardening. It has got hooks under to hold the pot in place. I'm hoping to fill sand over and spread the root across the beam. And finally, the hooks to secure the pot in place. If you ask me, I would say there is no proper way of gardening. Whatever you feel to do with your hand and sand is all that matters. You can do it in your own way, planting, repotting, whatever it is. But this is how I did it. And I firmly believe that everyone has their own way to find peace. Like you see, I don't have a yard in the back. All I have got a small balcony and I'm making a garden. So that's the drill. If you live in a building without its own garden, establishing a roof or a balcony garden is the ideal way to create your own mini horticultural heaven, ensuring you don't miss out on growing a wide range of plants. The main limitations of roof gardens and balcony gardens are strong winds and sunshine. That's why it's mandatory that you get strong pots with proper holders. Trust me, you can be lazy for many things but never on fixing the pots the right way. Otherwise, you'll make tiaras on people walking under that. One other problem with balconies is that the overhang from the property above, which prevents rainfall from reaching the containerized plants. And also don't forget to put holes on the plant pots, otherwise your plants will get waterlogged, which is a very serious issue.
on a tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be.
I hope you all enjoyed my video. And if you like these kind of contents, then please blow out that like button and subscribe to be a family. I'll see you guys on the next video, and until then, bye bye.
From a distance you can tell.